Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Special questions with a verb to be. The rule, question word, plus am, is, are, plus subject. Question word, plus am I, question word, plus are we, are you, are they. Question word, plus is he, is she, is it. Example. What are you doing? Why are you here? How are you? Who is there? Who's there? Where is he? When are you at work? What's strange? Why is it so? Why are you at home now? Why is she so happy? Why is it so strange? Why is it so interesting? Why is it so cheap? Where is she? Where is it? Where is he? Where are they? Where is your sister? Where is your teacher? Where is your father? Where are your parents? Where are your friends? What's there? What's here? What's in the box? What's more better? What's really better? What's so strange? What's more interesting? What's difficult? Wait, more important. How's your day? How is he? How is she? How is it? How far is it? How far are you? How far is this place? How often are you here? How expensive is it? How cheap is it? Where are you now? What is your name?
my name's Mary.
What is your name?
My name's Mary.
What's her name?
Her name's is Elizabeth.
What's her name?
Her name's is Elizabeth.
What's his name?
His name's Jack.
What's his name?
His name's Jack.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where is he from?
He's from Canada.
Where is he from?
He's from Canada.
Where is she from?
She's from the USA.
Where is she from?
She's from the USA.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
How old is he?
He's 40 years old.
How old is he?
He's 40 years old.
How old is she?
She's 50.
How old is she?
She's 50.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.